Yeah.
Mama walking.
Yeah, because
Walking, walking. Daddy jogging. Oh, there's a paddle. Go. Go.
can you go?
Yeah. Oh, paddle. Yes.
So that your tire is clean.
Hmm?
Your tire is clean. Clean.
That's water coming from.
From pool. Magaling na siya mag-bike, eh. Ay, marunong na bumalas. So, yun, no? Inaangat na yung paa niya. Thank you, Lord. Good job, baby.
Sidewalk. Sidewalk.
Can we go to Dollarama?
Team. Try mo, team.
Let's go.
They're close na. They're close na.
Dollarama? It's not close.
It's close.
It's not. Let's just go to Teams. I just make a shortcut.
Watch out, huh? If there's a car, you just go outside, walk.
Grabe yung mga ano nito, activities. Kung saan ako nang napupunta dito sa batang to eh.
Ano? Oh. Mahusay na eh. Nakatulong yung sapatos na binili ko sa kanya. Kasi bike shoes talaga yun eh. Makapit yan.
Kuya.
Don't go through there. Just go left. Yeah.
Daddy, watch out. Watch out. I said watch out.
Yeah, I know.
Where are they building?
They're gonna put cement on it. They're gonna put cement.
No. No.
Yeah.
What's this? Cement?
Yeah. Like this, yeah. Like that.
Ang daddy mo walang jacket. Ikaw.
Canadian kami, hello. Not there, baby. Not down the road. Not down the road. They're gonna
Diba?
get mad.
They're taking care of
wow,
their
good job.
grass, diba? Like you take care of the grass at the back, right?
Yard?
Oo.
Yard?
You hold your bike really good, baby. You balance.
So, meron palang team.
Stop sign.
Stop sign.
Go sign.
No sign.
Pretending it's go sign.
Okay.
Up.
Car. Wait for mama and daddy.
Turn left or right? Turn straight or right?
Go straight. Now, go. Go straight now. Yeah, go.
Now.
Go. Jump. Good job. Wow. Nice one.
Is it crosswalk?
Sana sa bilog.
Ah, malamig na. Whoop. Nice ramp. Dadalhin ko doon sa bike, ano? Sa bike, thing there sa may leisure center.
Napakahinihin na bata nung biglang nag-ano eh. Oh, boom.
Yun, oo. Diba, ang galing na.
Yes.
If it's still open. Nakakatuwa eh. Wala na talaga, malaki na talaga anak mo. Why?
They're
What?
close.
So this?
They're close.
So these? So we? So we?
Sobeys.
No, so we.
Sobeys.
No, so
There's no better eyes as you put my aside. I'm out of my head.
don't say out loud. No saying out loud.
Okay.
No saying out loud.
No, I just have an LSS. I play that in my truck.
Go. Faster. And then balance.
Oh, bleeding about that.
Go and balance.
Good job. Oh, that's so fast. Oh my goodness. Tagal ka na binili yan eh. Ngayon yun na-enjoy.
Go faster.
Si Kuya Adi, ang hindi natin rin, ano na eh.
Motor.
Motor na ito.
Ito bike lang.
Dapat to, i-seminar kay Adi eh.
Oo. Sakit mo yan?
Marunong na magbike yan, boy. Bumabalance na yan. Kaya yan ang binili ko sa kanya eh.
Kasi pag yung malaki na, tanggalin yung training.
Oh, marunong yan.
Ah,
Unti-unti. Oh, yun oh, tingnan mo. Oh, di ba? Kita mo. Marunong na eh.
Kuya ha? Baka may kap.
Faster run!
No, that is so tired.
Tama na.
Enough. Will you buy coffee? Yee! Tim Hortons right there. Woohoo!